NordVPN download. How to download NordVPN on supported devices. Downloading NordVPN on supported devices is straightforward. Here's how you can do it. 1. For Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, visit the NordVPN download page, https://nordvpn.com/download, and select your operating system. Download the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Log in with your NordVPN account credentials and connect to a server. 2. For Android, open the Google Play Store and search for NordVPN. Download the app titled NordVPN, Fast VPN for privacy. Install the app, log in, and connect to a server. 3. For iOS, iPhone/iPad, open the App Store and search for NordVPN. Download the app titled NordVPN, VPN Fast and Secure. Install the app, log in, and connect to a server. 4. For smart TVs and streaming devices, visit the NordVPN download page for other platforms, https://nordvpn.com/download/other. Follow the instructions specific to your device, such as Android TV, Fire Stick, or Chromecast. 5. For routers, NordVPN can be configured on compatible routers to protect all connected devices. Visit the NordVPN router setup guide, https://nordvpn.com/download/other, for detailed instructions. 6. For gaming consoles, while NordVPN doesn't have a dedicated app for consoles, you can set it up by a VPN-enabled router or by sharing a VPN connection from your PC.